Hi, I'm dentist Dr. Damla Zenar. Porcelain veneers are a transformative solution in the world of cosmetic dentistry, offering a pathway to a flawless smile that many dream of achieving. These ultra-thin shells of medical-grade ceramic are meticulously crafted to cover the front surface of teeth, enhancing their appearance with remarkable precision and durability. But how exactly do they work? The process begins with a consultation where your dentist evaluates your dental health and discusses your aesthetic goals. Once it's determined that porcelain veneers are right for you, the next step involves paring your teeth by removing a small amount of enamel to ensure a fit. This is followed by taking impressions of your teeth, which serve as the blueprint, crafting custom veneers that match the shape, size, and color desired. Once ready, these custom-made veneers are bonded to your teeth using advanced dentistry. The result is not just an aesthetic pleasing smile, but one that feels natural and functions seamlessly in everyday life. Porcelain is renowned for its stain-resistant strength, making it an ideal choice for those long-lasting results.